Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop hamper. Start by choosing a sturdy basket and cutting floral foam to fit snugly. Insert wooden sticks into each lollipop and test placement before gluing. Arrange sticks in the foam from back to front for depth. Secure decorative ribbon around the basket, add filler at the base, and trim any excess for a neat, gift-ready finish. Warm up your glue gun and lay out lollipops by color and size for easy access. Press each stick into the foam at an angle to mimic a bouquet and maintain even spacing. Add small clusters of filler like tissue paper or cellophane between lollipops for volume. Wrap a decorative ribbon around the basket rim and tie a secure bow to finish the look and hide the foam edges. Think of your lollipop hamper like a floral arrangement and step back often to check balance. Use complementary colors and vary heights to keep the eye moving. Conceal the foam with decorative filler and add small themed toppers for holidays or parties. If gifting, include a handwritten tag or small treat inside. These little details make the hamper feel thoughtful and custom without adding much time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.